So this is the second type of example you're going to run into, something that has to deal with a geometry problem, perimeter, area, something like that. So example 2 here, we have a rectangle has a perimeter of 204 feet. And again, if you don't know what perimeter is, make sure you look that up. Make sure you Google that and use your resources so you know what that means. So we have a length that is 6 feet longer than twice the width. They're giving us let statements already. They're telling me L stands for the length and W stands for the width. So L equals length and W equals width, which I didn't need to rewrite, I just like to. Write a system of equations and solve it to find the length of the width, and the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay, so again, they give us a rectangle. We could always draw a picture. We know that we have a length and a width. They're telling us that the length equals, so L equals 6 feet longer, 6 feet more than twice, 2 times its width. So L is equal to 2W plus 6. So now you might be at a standstill here wondering, what other information do I have, or where can I come up with another equation? That second equation is going to come from the perimeter. How do I find perimeter? Perimeter means add all sides. So the perimeter is 204. So 204, like that total, is equal to, how do I find the perimeter? I add all the sides together. So I'm going to add the length plus the length plus the width plus the width, which I can simplify into 2L plus 2W. All right, I have my 2 equations now. And you can go ahead and pick out whatever method you would like to solve these. Just like the first one, our L, our length, is already isolated, so I'm going to use that when I'm solving my equation here. So I'm going to take that 204 is equal to 2L plus 2W. And I have the L solved for, so I'm going to replace that with parentheses. And in for L, I'm putting that 2W plus 6, because that's what they told me L was. Now I can go ahead and solve. I got rid of that L. The L's gone, so I can solve for W now. Let's move forward with So 204 is equal to 2 times 2W is 4W, plus 2 times 6 is 12, plus another 2W. 204 is equal to 6W plus 12, minus 12 to both sides. 6W is equal to 204 minus 12 is 204 minus 8, which is 192. Divide by 6, divide by 6. We have a W that is equal to 32. Now I can use my W equals to 32 to go ahead and solve for the L. L is equal to 2, W is 32, plus 6. L is equal to 32 times 2 is 64, plus 6. L is equal to 70. Yep. So, here we go. Need a little answer sentence to explain what that means. The length is 70 feet. We were talking feet. And the width is 32 feet. Boom.